Welcome, learners. It's August 3rd, and I am absolutely pumped to kick off our TLE Week 8 AFA Day 1 Explainer. I'm your teacher, Mr. Moises C. Maleras, but you can just call me Sir Monte. I hope you're all geared up for an awesome session, because today we're diving into a totally crucial skill in fishery arts. We're talking about sorting, grading, and storing fish, all while nailing those essential safety precautions. Our main focus? Fish sorting and grading fundamentals. So get comfortable, and let's get right to it.
Here's our quick roadmap for today's explainer. First, our welcome to Week 8. Second, defining sorting and grading. Third, why these processes matter. Fourth, essential safety precautions. And finally, testing your knowledge.
Section 1. Welcome to AFA Week 8 and our introduction to fish sorting and grading.
Section 2. Sorting and grading defined. What exactly is the difference?
Okay, picture this. You've just pulled in a massive fish harvest. Whether they came from constructed ponds, specialized cages, or wide-open fishing grounds, those fish are definitely not identical in size or quality. You can't just scoop them out of the water and send them straight to the consumer. We have to take some absolutely crucial intermediary steps first. And that brings us to our first key term, fish sorting. Basically, sorting is the process of separating fish based on their size, their species, or their type. Think of it like organizing a giant puzzle by looking at the most basic physical traits. You're grouping the small fish together, the large fish together, or separating out different species if you happen to have a mixed catch. So sorting is all about those primary physical dimensions.
Right, let's move on to our second term, fish grading. Grading refers to classifying fish according to their quality, their freshness, and their appearance. So while sorting was all about size and species, grading is completely focused on condition. You're asking things like, how healthy does this fish look? How fresh is it right out of the water? What's its overall quality level? Evaluating all of that, that's what we call grading. To really lock this in, let's look at them side by side. Sorting focuses on the physical metrics, size, species, and type. Grading focuses on condition, quality, freshness, and appearance. Out in the real world, you'd probably sort a batch of fish first to get all the large ones in one place, and then you'd grade that specific batch of large fish to find the absolute highest quality ones. They work perfectly hand in hand.
Section 3. Why these processes matter. Let's look at the market benefits. So you might be wondering, why do we actually go through all this extra effort? Why not just sell the catch as is? Well, because doing this right is a real game changer for your success. First up, sorting and grading maintains product uniformity. Commercial buyers, like big restaurants, demand consistent sizes for their menus. Second, it improves market value. When fish are properly sorted and graded, you can actually charge a premium for a high-quality uniform catch. Third, it makes packaging and marketing so much easier because you know exactly what's going into every single box. And finally, it ensures consumers receive top-quality fish products. A happy customer is a returning customer, right?
Section 4. Essential safety precautions, protecting both the handler and the product. Now, we can't get any of those great market benefits without protecting the handler, which is you, and the product itself. Safety is an absolute top priority here. So, here are 4 non-negotiable safety procedures. Step 1. Wash your hands before handling fish. Good hygiene literally starts with you. Step 2. Wear clean protective equipment to keep both you and the fish safe from contamination. Step 3. Use clean containers and tools. Seriously, even if your hands are spotless, a dirty container will completely ruin the freshness of your catch. And step 4. Keep the work area sanitary. Following these steps ensures that the quality we just spent all that time grading actually stays intact.
Section 5. Let's test your knowledge. It's interactive assessment time.
All right, here's our first question straight from your short answer activity. Why is fish sorting important? I'm going to take a quick pause here. Think back to those key market benefits we just talked about. What does grouping fish by size or species actually achieve?
Did you get it? Sorting is incredibly important because it maintains product uniformity, improves market value, and makes packaging much easier. Huge congratulations to those of you who remembered those points. It directly boosts the whole marketing process.
Okay, let's try an identify me scenario. If you are grouping fish according to size, would you classify that as sorting with an S, grading with a G, or storing with an ST? Make your choice.
Boom! The answer is S for sorting. Spot on. Remember, anytime we're talking about separating the catch strictly by physical dimensions, like small versus large, we're talking about sorting.
Let's throw one more quick Identify Me challenge your way. How about classifying fish based on quality?
evaluating its appearance, its condition, its freshness. Is this sorting with an S, grading with a G, or storing with an ST?
You guessed it, it's G for grading. Validating the quality, checking the freshness, and evaluating the overall appearance is the exact definition of grading.
Let's bring it home with a rapid-fire true or false. Number 1. Fish sorting groups fish according to size. That is true. Number 2. Fish grading determines quality. That is also true. Number 3. All fish harvested have the same quality. That is false. Like we said at the very beginning of this explainer, harvested fish absolutely vary in quality, which is exactly why this whole process is so vital.
As we wrap up AFA Day 1, I want to leave you with this final, provocative thought to ponder after class. What can happen to the market value and to the consumers if fish are not properly sorted, graded, or stored safely? Think about the negative impacts on quality, satisfaction, and income if we just skip these steps. Thank you all so much for your focus and awesome energy today. This is Sir Motes signing off from today's explainer. Keep learning, stay safe, and I'll catch you in our next session.